Welcome to Tech Talker. Today we're unraveling the mystery surrounding the 5 most common issues of personal computers and how to solve them. In this digital age, understanding these issues is crucial. From slow performance to the dreaded blue screen of death, these problems can be a real headache. But don't worry, we're here to help. This video will serve as your simple, easy-to-follow guide to troubleshoot these issues. So, are you ready to become your own tech support? Let's jump right into it. First on our list is the slow performance of computers. It's a common issue that can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, we've got some simple solutions for you. One of the main culprits behind slow performance is low disk space. Your computer needs room to breathe and perform tasks, so try to regularly clean up your disk space by deleting unnecessary files or moving them to an external storage device. Another cause could be too many startup programs. These are the applications that launch as soon as you boot up your computer. If there are too many, they can significantly slow down your machine. You can manage these programs by using your computer's task manager or system preferences. Lastly, outdated software could be dragging your computer's performance down. Keeping your software updated ensures your computer can run efficiently and safely. So, set a regular schedule to check for and install any updates. Remember, a good cleanup and update can work wonders for your computer's speed. Moving on, we have the infamous computer keeps restarting issue. This can be a real headache, especially when you're in the middle of something important. But don't worry, we're here to help you tackle it head on. Now, there could be several reasons why your computer insists on playing this frustrating game of tag. The most common culprits are overheating, faulty hardware, or even pesky viruses and malware. If it's a case of your computer getting too hot under the collar, ensure it has proper ventilation. A cool computer is a happy computer. Faulty hardware can also trip up your system, so check your hardware components and replace any that are causing problems. Lastly, run a thorough virus scan. Malware and viruses love to wreak havoc on your system, and a good antivirus program can show them the door. So, the next time your computer starts acting like a stubborn restart loop, you know what to do. Next up, we have the dreaded blue screen of death. This is a stop error that takes over your entire screen with a blue background and white text, hence its ominous name. It usually happens when your computer encounters a problem it can't bypass, like hardware issues, driver problems, or corrupt files, forcing it to stop abruptly to prevent any potential damage. Hardware issues can range from faulty RAM to an overheating CPU, so it's worth checking your hardware components to ensure they're functioning properly. Driver problems, on the other hand, are a bit trickier but can often be solved by simply updating your drivers. Go to your device manager and ensure all your drivers are up to date. Lastly, corrupt files can cause this issue as well. You can run a system file check which will scan your computer for any file inconsistencies or corruption, and fix them if possible. With these tips, the blue screen of death won't be as scary anymore. Finally, we have network connectivity issues. These pesky problems can be a real headache, but they're typically caused by 3 main issues: incorrect network settings, outdated network drivers, or hardware problems. So let's start with network settings. Sometimes your computer may be set up to connect to a different network, or the settings have been changed inadvertently. A quick check and adjustment of your network settings can often solve this issue. Next, we have outdated network drivers. Just like your car needs regular servicing, your computer's drivers need to be updated from time to time. If they're old or corrupted, they may cause connectivity issues. The solution? Just update them. Finally, there's the possibility of hardware problems. If your router or modem is on the fritz, it can cause connectivity issues. Basic troubleshooting, like restarting your hardware or checking for any noticeable damage, can help identify and resolve these issues. And with that, you're now well equipped to tackle any network issues that come your way. And there you have it, the 5 most common PC issues and how to solve them. Just remember, slow performance, constant restarting, the blue screen of death, and network connectivity issues can all be managed with regular maintenance and updates. It's about taking care of your machine to ensure it keeps running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to Tech Talker for more tech guides and tips. Until next time, keep teching.